Alright, check it out everyone, I have a surprise for you. You're gonna love this. You can see it coming around the corner now. Hopefully I don't lose my precious cargo. There it is. Alright, check it out everyone. I was at my local hobby town and I spotted this model kit and I couldn't pass it up. I had to give it a shot. It's a 1980 Jeep Honcho Ice Patrol by Revell. And it's an awesome little model. It took me some time to get it together and to get all these decals on and it painted. It even comes with this little snowmobile. And the detail is just awesome. I did all the paint, of course. It's been a long time since I built a model. So, you can check out the truck here. The decals on the windshield, the lights. On the front here, I did not put the lenses in yet. I'm going to drill it for LEDs first. No interior, I gotta do that yet. Just look at the detail. I didn't have white paint to do those lights yet, but I will. You can see the details on the gas can, the toolbox. So, let me show you what I did. I glued the grill guard here to the Deadbolt bumper. It seemed to work perfect. And my favorite part, I haven't done an interior yet, but check out this. Bam! That looks good. It come out way nicer than I thought. I had to chop this motor up and make it all fit. But it looks awesome, and my hood still opens and shuts. So, how did I mount it? Velcro. I cut some plastic to go between the shock towers and Velcroed it on. You do have to use the shorter links and the shorter drive shaft. Being mine has the flipped transmission mod, I had to go and shorten the drive shaft a little bit shorter, but not much. And under here you can see I had to cut part of the engine bay out and seal it up, then use Velcro on the body. I still haven't figured out the interior again, but the details are pretty good. The grill kind of messed up, but hey, it's been a long time since I've done any sort of model, and I think I did awesome. Another look at the engine. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I'll get some run-in video of it with this body on and everything here soon. I want to let the paint cure completely. So tell me what you think in the comments. Tell me what you want to see it do. Naturally, it's not quite as good at steep inclines now because it's shorter wheelbase, heavy body. It's up high because I don't have smaller tires. I want to get the RGT Super Swampers for it, but at the moment I don't have no money on a card. So, I mean, if any of you happen to have some spare tires sitting around you don't want, let me know. I'll take them. Put them to use on this, then I can lower that body down and work a little bit on the interior. Until I can lower the body, I'm not going to mess with the interior. I didn't put the mirrors on because I'm afraid they'll break, but I mean I can, and we'll just see how long they last. But yeah, that's pretty much it. TTFN, ta-ta for now guys.